In this video, I'm going to use this little sit mean sit sign as the jump. You can use anything for a jump though, no matter what the height and what the shape of it is. In fact, I'd suggest that you use everything and anything so the dog gets a clearer vision of what exactly the word jump means and where you're directing him to go. The greater the distance that the dog is from the jump, and the smaller that the jump is, should just be part of the proofing process. The chance of the dog missing the jump from close will go down significantly. I will now further the difficulty of making this jump by turning the dog, moving him side to side, turning him completely around and disorienting him from his position. Then, from this further distance, we'll attempt the jump again. This is also a great technique that can be used for teaching a dog to run straight. Thanks for watching.